Chris Whitehead here with the Culinary Resource Team. Today we're going to show you how to make a pork chili verde using 5 simple ingredients, including our Gran Sabor roasted salsa verde. First, we took a pork shoulder, about 8 pounds, cubed it in 1-inch cubes. We took 4 jalapenos, took the seeds out, chopped them up. Then we used 2 large white onions, diced them. And then we have some Marcon fresh squeezed lime juice, about a ½ cup. All we need to do is put this together, let it simmer. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with our pork. We're going to brown it off in the pot. Once in the pot, we're going to give it a couple good stirs. We need to brown it off for about 8 minutes. After it's been browned off, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. First, we're going to start with your jalapenos. Next, we're going to add our onion. Your lime juice. And then we're going to finish it off with our roasted salsa verde. Now, let's give it a couple good stirs. Once stirred up well, let's just sit back. 3 to 4 hours, we'll have the finished product. All right, we're back with the final product. I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite dishes and how diverse this pork chili verde can be. First, we start with your traditional bowl of pork chili verde, topped with a little bit of tortilla strips, some fresh jalapeno, some crumbled cheese, a little bit of lime, and then some just fire grilled tortillas. Next, we went to your traditional street taco, little 4-inch tortilla, fire grilled, chili verde in there, little fresh onion, add a little bit more to it, and then just a pinch of cilantro on each. And then last is some cheesy grits. It's fantastic with this product. Do a little bit of cheesy grits, some of the pork chili verde in the middle of it, top it with some fresh onion and cilantro, and then some fresh jalapeno and a nice squeeze of lime across the top. It's fantastic. There you have it. Easy product, 5 ingredients, short 4 hours.